Here is everything that I brought with me and used. Let's start with what I'm wearing. I have a Parapack P cap, it's called. It's a foldable cap. I'm wearing a merino wool t-shirt. I'm also wearing merino wool shorts. I've got compression socks on, and I am wearing Altra Olympus shoes, and I have some orthotic inserts in those shoes. My pack is an Atom-Pax Mo, and in the outside pockets I have a sun umbrella. I've got water bottles. I have 2 smart water bottles, one on each side. In the shoulder pockets here I carried 2 smaller water bottles, which were really handy because I could just reach down and grab them. On the front of the pack here, I've got my obligatory Pilgrim shell, which I picked up at the Pilgrim office in Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port. A few safety pins, which I use for pegging on damp laundry. I've got a cooler cloth, which is for emergency wild wheeze, and please do leave no trace. And if you don't have this and you use tissues, ladies, please pack them out. In the side pockets here, I have sunscreen. And I also have a rain jacket. The waist pockets of my backpack contain a Nightcore head torch, which is rechargeable. And in the other side, I have a little bag here, and inside of it, I have electricals, a plug for use in Europe, a charging block, and some power cords. Inside my pack, which is a roll top, I have flip-flops. A really lightweight fleece made by Senchi Designs. It's an alpha hoodie. I've got a little bag here with miscellaneous items in, including herb tea bags, a packable towel, electrolytes, an S-hook, a little bag, packable bag for taking into the shower or getting shopping with. I have a buff, and I have some glasses cleaning wipes because I do wear glasses. I have a first aid kit, which has also got various tape in there for taping my feet, which I did need, and blister care items. And I have a small pair of scissors in there. A small bag with a lip balm, eye mask, and earplugs. I use this in the dorm at night. I just carry it into my bed and everything's there. Soap bag. I've got some cotton buds, deodorant, luxury item hair gel. It's a bit worn down now. This is Body Glide, just so I've rubbed it on my feet actually. Toothpaste, razor, luxury item, some nice face cream. I've got a tiny hand cream. A little Matador soap bag where I could put my solid shampoo bar, conditioner, and a shower bar. They were all really small, and I also use this for laundry when I run out of laundry detergent. Tiny hairbrush, some flossers, and eye drops. Oh, and a toothbrush. I have some laundry sheets, which I use for washing my clothes, and I also have some clothes pegs for pegging out my laundry. A small bag containing swimming shorts. These were a luxury item. I did use them a few times. A sports bra. I have 2 pairs of spare socks and 2 pairs of spare smart wool, merino wool underwear. These are a pair of really cheap cotton shorts I use to sleep in the dorms at night and wear that with a t-shirt. I have a bag here containing sun hoodie, spare shorts. When it got colder, I had some cropped hiking trousers which I wore in the evening, a long sleeved smart wool top, spare merino wool t-shirt. I also had a smart wool dress which I love changing into in the evenings, especially when it was really hot. I've got a cheap lightweight sleeping bag. This is made by Stealth Angel, just because I bought it because it was cheap, and if it got bed bug infested or whatever, I could put it in a hot tumble dryer and kill them without damaging an expensive sleeping bag. And I used the Nylofume pack liner to put all of my gear in, fold it down, and then I didn't need a pack cover on the outside of the pack when it rained. And then finally, a bum bag, which is made by Atom-Pax as well. This is the Atom-Pax Roo, and in here I have GoPro camera. I have my credential and also my passport, snacks, tissues for when the cafe bathrooms do not have toilet paper, headphones, some more electrolytes, and I also have my purse in there, and that's it.